Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today it's a very short plant video where I am just going to show you some of the geraniums that are in bloom at my sister-in-law's place. Actually, I fell in love with the colors. Look at the vibrant colors. That is why I thought I should share, whether it's a short video or a long video. So please enjoy the video. Here, can you see that pointed thing? That's the pod that has been formed after pollination. See, the seed is already in making. So my friends, I think you all will agree that these are really beautiful geraniums. The colors are a treat to the eye. So my dear friends, thank you for staying till the end. If you have liked the video, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye-bye from all of us here at Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more.